Back, everybody. Welcome to my channel, Brian Chloe's World. And if you're just joining us and everything like that, how'd you like my other videos today? Like the bicycle video that I made. And how did you like my chip challenge today? Which was very good, and the bird, when I talked about birds though in my second video. Alright, today we're going to do the monkeys in a barrel thing today. See? The monkeys with the barrel. Get the monkeys out. For those of you who don't know what the monkey looks like, this is the monkey. Alright, let's put him together. Shall we? See, I got this. Got this there. I'm going to try to put him in the barrel, like that. How exciting. They fall off, they fall off. So much for that. Alright, take two. And the object of the game is to flip all the monkeys in like this. I believe there's an arcade game like that where people get to do that. See, there are the monkeys. Put the monkeys in here. Like this. So they don't fall off. Trying to put all the monkeys into the barrel. Try to hook it up here. See all the monkeys? They're getting a lot. Only two more monkeys left. Ooh, they fell. Alright, let's try this again. With the monkeys. The idea is to put them over the barrel. Like this. Oh, they fell. That's going to feel frustrating, but here's your monkey. The idea is to hook them over the barrel. Like this. The last few monkeys that will fall. See if I can get this to the top. Only two more monkeys. Three more monkeys. I'll put this over the barrel. And those monkeys and those monkeys. And there goes the monkeys. Hey. Alright, that was monkey in the barrel. One last thing to show you. A little jellyfish. It's like a little soft jellyfish though, that you see in the water. Alright. So that is that. Alright. Make sure you like, leave a comment, subscribe. Hope you liked my other videos, and make sure you like, subscribe. Like more views, I would like that. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace. And Brian Chloe's World. Peace.